So now you choose the Google account you want to sign up, you click on it, and then you click continue. Once you click continue, it's going to come up and it's going to show you that you're signed on to the app, right? Now you click on new website. So the Learning Commons. Remember that's the name we chose from the last video that you just watched. And then I'm going to copy the ChatGPT prompt. Copy the ChatGPT prompt. Let me copy the first one, right? Create a professional student, blah blah blah. So I copied that one, copy that one to this point. I copy it, and then I go to the site and I paste it here, and I click on create website. So it's going to automatically load that website. So this is one way you can build a website with AI. I'm going to show you another one. There are three ways that you can go about it. I'm going to show you another one. And there are several other ways to build a website with AI, but these are the ways that I use, and it's something that would make the work a lot easier for you. So it's going to generate everything. Once it's done generating it, you're going to see your website. So if you notice on the right hand side here, you see that it's showing you what it is doing, right? Showing you what it is doing at the right hand side here. It is showing you what it is doing. And while on the left hand side here, you are seeing exactly what it is doing. Understand your courses better, succeed with confidence. And so it is building the website for you. So this is your website. This is your website. Now I'm also going to teach you how in our subsequent videos, I'm going to show you back end, right? How to handle back end with different tools that I use. I'm going to show you how to handle the back end. But this your website. So once it's done loading all of this, you have a complete website that you can simply upgrade. So you upgrade. So the idea is you have to subscribe to this tool to be able to launch that. You can deploy it from here so that people will be able to click you just send them the link, your domain name, which whether it is. So for this website now, it is the Learning Commons, right? The learningcommons.com. So I can send that to someone and they'll be able to visit this website using that link. So that's what a domain is. Now, a hosting platform, there are several hosting platforms. Many people are conversant with WordPress, right? There's several hosting platforms. There's several platforms for which you can use to host your website. But some of these AI tools allow you to directly deploy your website from their platform. Like this very platform allows you to do that. Yeah, the other tools that I'm going to also show you allows you to do that. So you don't need to bother about getting a hosting platform. All you just need to do is pay for a domain, and domains can cost as less as Depending on the ones you go for, it can cost you as less as $1 to about, you know, to about $1 million, depending on the domain. But the point I'm making is this is an opportunity for you to take advantage of this to start earning. Perhaps there are people in your environment who need a website, but they cannot afford to pay 500,000. You can simply tell them to pay 100K and you build them a simple website like this, and it just helps. So you can see on the right hand side here, it is showing you all the things that it is doing, right? So now that it is done, it has finished building your website out, right? It has finished building your website. So if you click, if you scroll down, you see your services, course tutorials, exam preparations, assignment support, all of that. And then you have courses we cover. There's English, there's philosophy, there is mass communication. Remember we said art and social science courses. And then you come here, you see your pricing, right? You see your pricing. So you can charge pay as you go, right? So this is the regular one. This is per month. You click. Once you click, of course, you have to upgrade. This page only available on paid plan. So the idea is, because we have used what we have done right now is build a simple website that serves as a landing page for your business, right? You can just come, you see the about page. Okay, you have to subscribe to access that also. So usually these two cost about, let's see, upgrade to launch. So these two costs about, so you can pay $10. You can pay $10. $10 is around say 15,000 plus, right? You can pay $10 and you're able to access it. And the amazing thing is that they will give you a domain. They'll give you a domain for this one. So with just $10, which is 15,000 naira, you can host a website. You can host a website, a single page website. And what you can do with that is that you can integrate other tools with it. Right. While with $20, which is around 30,000 plus, you can create a you can create a okay, so it's $12 instead. So monthly, $12. Why this was $24. So you can subscribe to this and you have a website that people can visit without you breaking the bank. Ordinarily, website costs around, if you speak to any web developer, they'll tell you that you pay the least you can pay for like a one page website now, you pay around 150 above, depending on the person who is doing it, right? But imagine that you can get a website for $12. It just saves you a lot of it saves you a lot, really. If you're a business owner, you understand what I'm saying, right? And that is that for this platform. There are other two platforms I'm also going to be showing you. My hope is that you learn this and you begin to practice. Thank you very much.